Recording the sewer line at 4519 35th Ave West. Date is June 16, 2022. Making this recording from the clean out in the exterior of the home in the backyard. 4-inch diameter ABS clean out. Looking at the lip connection. It looks like the fern coat is starting to slip a little bit here at the PVC connection. The next couple feet in, it's the main. So I'm guessing this is a new tap connection to the main, or at least a couple feet of replaced pipe before we hit the main. There's a shared sewer line between this home and the home to the, what is that, south. Coming back into 6-inch diameter concrete here. There is our connection point for the neighboring home. We're going to pause the video real quick and go locate this spot. Alright, got that located about 6.5, 7 feet deep, right at the street line to the house, or street to kind of a gravel section. Right where the asphalt street connects to that gravel section is what I'm trying to get at here. Right here we were coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe, so this is our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shifting point. I'm going to pause this and locate this. Okay, I've got that located about 4 feet deep on the property here. I'm going to zero out our footage again as we come back into 4-inch diameter pipe. So that was about 4 feet deep under concrete in the driveway area. Now back in 4-inch diameter pipe. It's a connection point to the line there on the left side. That is not, oh, that is indicated on the map. That shows a downspout off the front of the house, opposite corner, connecting to the sewer line there. Pretty aggregate rough section holding up sewage at that spot. Start to see a little channeling through here. I'm wondering if the kitchen line connection isn't right in that spot somewhere. Yeah, we got to be getting close back to where that kitchen line connects. I think it might be right there. Yep, because there's the downspout connection just after the kitchen line, and then back into liner here. So yeah, I'm gonna go pause and locate this kitchen line connection spot. Okay, I've got that located about 3.5 feet deep. Underneath section of concrete near like some recycling bins over there. So it looks like about 48 feet or so of this 4-inch diameter line before we get back into this existing liner that was installed as part of last year's project. Come around the corner, 90 and back into liner again. And back up out of the pipe. And there we go. That's our clean out right in the middle of this ground cover. And in the video there.